What's going on? Want to show you guys how I just made $350 in about 5 minutes. This is a new ring fork, and I'm just showing you so that you can get ideas and practical ways to do the same. It's not to make myself like look cool or something, I promise. But anyways, this is a ring fork. It's called Comb Financial. Just launched actually about an hour and 15 minutes ago. The website's pretty cool. Let's take over Phantom. All right, Comb Financial. It's on the Phantom blockchain. Join us today and create a hive. Start by purchasing 9 comb from Spirit Swap and go over to app.combfinancial to create your first hive. We offer insanely high yields while maintaining a sustainable ecosystem for the long term. Our contracts are designed and architected in-house. Okay, well, so technically it's not a fork. The backend is scalable and is built upon proxies to enable us to expand our support for many features to come. Extensive testing is one of our main priorities so that security of our backend is well maintained. We also have Doc's team member in the Discord. So what I like about this, and let me say this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Guys, there are rug pulls and scams, okay? And I want to do a video talking about that. Any project can be rug pulled. Any project can do that. So you have to be aware of that and understand that it's just a part of crypto. That's why I always say only invest what you're willing to lose. Always be have a diversified portfolio so that if you do take a loss on one thing, you got 5 other things and you don't even feel that loss. But with that being said, what I like about this project is the devs actually supposedly built it themselves. So it's not technically a fork, okay? It's not an exact copy. All right. And I looked at their Twitter and whatnot, and you know, they're talking about code. So they have knowledge of the blockchain and development and all that. It's not just a copy and paste type thing. All right. So once you go in, you're going to see this page here. Nodes, all nodes. Like I said, it's still early. This is only an hour, was released about an hour ago. Welcome to Comb Financial. The launch was pretty well. I'll share that with you in a minute. 9 comb to get 1.5 comb a day. I believe this is a promotional thing for like 2 days. And then it will be 0.8 comb a day. So 9 comb right now is $56 for 1 comb. So let's do the math. 56 times 9 equals $500. So it's $504. Okay. And then you can do the math on, you know, if this is a 2-day promotion, you'll get 3 comb back in 2 days. And if price were to stay the same, which it's gonna change, what it would take you to get your investment back. If price stayed the same, you'd basically break even around 9 days. If this is a 2-day promotion and then it goes to 0.8 comb a day, okay? So $500 investment, 9 days to break even. I'm just giving you the facts. I'm just presenting to you the opportunity. Now I want to show you here. This is the launch. This is the chart. Don't mind all my trend lines. So what happened is I got in. I don't even recall exactly where I got in, but I got in decent on this, right? And I only put $250 on it. And that $250 became, I think it went to like 900 or 1,000 or something like that. It was up there. But I got out with about $350 profit, a little over $350 profit. So I put $250 in, and then I got out above 600, okay? And that was within like 5 minutes. Then what I did is I watched the chart really closely, seeing if this thing was going to pump again, and just really watched it. So I went back in and I just wrote it out for a while. And then I just decided for me, I'm going to take that profit and do something else with it as for now. Okay. But I'm not saying that, you know, that's the right way to go. You know, you got to look at the different scenarios and you have to calculate for yourself what returns can you get. You know, do I want to wait 9 days and hope that they deliver and the price doesn't go down just to break even and then to make, you know, $40 a day? Or do I want to take that $350 and I want to get a return on that daily starting today and be able to take that out at any time? So I like to minimize my risk, but I just wanted to share this with you. Sorry, I did not do a video before the launch. I like to do those. I like to let you guys know before things launch. Okay. But I just literally didn't have time. But anyways, got in here, made a quick 350 in 5 minutes, which is a blessing. But I want to show you, you know, obviously there's a lot of pump action right here and it's very questionable, you know. whether it's the team, whether it's bots, whether it's this, whether it's that, the other. You know, this is a pattern in pretty much most all launches. But other than this, it was a pretty healthy launch so far. You know, there's a lot of consolidation right here, which likely means there's probably going to be a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. I don't really necessarily see this going much further to the downside because, first of all these nodes are already created. You got to understand, people are buying these tokens and then they're creating nodes. So they're not going to sell because they can't sell because they created the nodes. So anyways, just wanted to do this quick video and to show you different strategic ways, okay? And once again, this is only an hour old. There's not a lot of people in their group. There's not a lot of people that know about this project. In my opinion, the website looks pretty decent. I mean, look at it. And I like that they have that this is not a copy and paste website. Also, they were speaking of doing different tiered nodes and whatnot. So this could be something. You know, this could be something. Nodes are trending right now, and this could be something. So you may want to look into it. Do your own research. As always, the barrier to entry is really not very high. Let me see, just to see something really quick. Swapped at Zach, just so you guys know that I'm not like just making stuff up. So this is what I swapped out. Comb for 489. Okay. Right there. Now that was my profit plus 105 more I put in. Because remember I told you I went back in and I was playing with it. So if you do 490 minus 105, that's 385. So that was my actual profit. Because prior, I took out my initial investment money and then I went back in with the profit. Because that's what I do. I like to take out my initial investment money and go back in with the profit. So let me see if I can find it. I just like to show because, let me see, swap. I did quite a few swaps. Okay, BNB spend, swap tokens. Maybe this is the one. Nope, that's not it. Let me see. Just want to show you guys so you know that I'm being fully transparent. Let's see, approve. Let me try this one. If it's not this one, it should be the next one. 250. So that was my initial investment right there. Okay. 250. Wrapped Phantom for Comb Finance. That was all I put in on this. And if we continue to look through my transactions, let me see. I think this is where we were right here. Let me see. There we go. So 250, I got out at 613. So you can do the math. 350, 450, 550, 350, 360. So it's over. You see the math. It's over 360 something. And that was my profit. And then when I went back in, I'm not going to go through all the transactions. So I put in 250. I took out 613, right? And then I pretty much stayed about at that profit. I went back in, came out, did this, that, the other, but I didn't lose any of that profit. Just wanted to share this with you guys. If you're liking the videos, thank you for the comments. Thank you for the likes. A lot of love in the comments. Appreciate it. The comments really touch me. I like hearing people that are actually making gains, and you know, I love making an impact. So that's why I do this. I got some more videos coming. Check this out. Do your own research. Don't invest what you're not willing to lose. Beware of scams. Beware of rug pulls. Understand that they do happen. This is crypto. Anything can happen. God bless, guys. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Till the next one. Peace.